Imagine a weapon so fast that it outruns the very defenses built to destroy it. A missile that can streak across the skies at more than 5 times the speed of sound, maneuver in ways traditional interceptors can't predict, and strike with pinpoint precision before the enemy even knows it's coming. This is not science fiction. This is the realm of hypersonic weapons, and the Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile is emerging as one of the most advanced players in this new era of warfare. The Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile represents a fusion of cutting-edge aerodynamics, revolutionary propulsion systems, and next-generation targeting capabilities. Its primary distinction lies in its speed Mach 5 and beyond. At such velocities, the missile covers 1 mile in less than a second, reducing reaction times for defensive systems to near zero. But speed is only one part of the equation. What makes the Alpha Defense Missile even more dangerous is its agility. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles that follow predictable parabolic trajectories, hypersonic weapons like Alpha can maneuver mid-flight, weaving unpredictable paths that make interception extraordinarily difficult. At the heart of the Alpha power is its dual-stage propulsion system. The first stage is a rocket booster, designed to accelerate the missile into the hypersonic regime. Once there, a scramjet engine takes over. Scramjets, or supersonic combustion ramjets, operate efficiently at extreme speeds by compressing incoming air without the need for rotating turbine blades. The result is sustained hypersonic flight over vast distances. This means the Alpha can be launched from a variety of platforms, land, sea, air, and still maintain a blistering speed and trajectory towards its target. The missile's design incorporates advanced thermal protection, materials capable of withstanding temperatures that would melt most metals. At Mach 7 or 8, air friction generates heat exceeding 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The Alpha uses a combination of ceramic composites, heat-resistant alloys, and ablative coatings to manage this extreme environment. Every inch of its surface is engineered for aerodynamic efficiency and thermal endurance, allowing it to maintain performance without structural compromise. Guidance and targeting systems in the Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile are equally revolutionary. Traditional GPS guidance is vulnerable to jamming, so the Alpha integrates multiple redundant navigation systems. These include inertial navigation, terrain contour mapping, celestial tracking, and AI-assisted target recognition. The onboard AI processes real-time data from a network of sensors and satellite feeds, adapting its course to evade threats and exploit weaknesses in enemy defenses. This makes it not just a fast missile, but a smart one capable of thinking on the fly in a contested battle space. One of the most striking features of the Alpha is its role in the evolving concept of prompt global strike. In military terms, this is the ability to deliver a precise strike anywhere on Earth within an hour. Hypersonic missiles make this possible without relying on nuclear payloads, shifting strategic deterrence into a new domain. The Alpha can carry both conventional and specialized warheads, making it flexible for a range of missions from destroying high-value enemy infrastructure to neutralizing mobile command centers or advanced air defense systems. Defending against a missile like the Alpha is a monumental challenge. Traditional missile defense systems, such as Patriot or THAAD, are optimized for predictable ballistic threats. The Alpha's speed and maneuverability mean detection windows are small, tracking is complex, and interception probabilities are low. Even advanced radar systems struggle to maintain a lock as the missile changes altitude and course mid-flight. This dynamic flight profile creates a cat-and-mouse game in which the defender is always reacting, never anticipating. Strategically, the development of the Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile represents a paradigm shift. Nations investing in hypersonic capabilities aim to achieve not only a tactical edge on the battlefield, but also a strategic deterrent against potential adversaries. The psychological impact of knowing an opponent can strike anywhere, at nearly instantaneous speeds, without warning, reshapes military planning and diplomatic negotiations alike. It compels militaries worldwide to rethink base locations, early warning systems, and even alliance strategies. Alpha Defense has reportedly tested its missile in multiple phases, first in controlled range trials to validate propulsion and thermal protection systems, then in more complex scenarios involving evasive maneuvers and live targeting. Each test iteration has pushed the boundaries of hypersonic flight stability and accuracy. Early results suggest a circular error probable set of under 1 meter, astonishing level of precision for a weapon traveling faster than a bullet. The missile's warhead versatility further enhances its operational value. For deep strike missions, it can be outfitted with high explosive or bunker-buster payloads designed to penetrate hardened structures. In anti-ship roles, it carries kinetic energy penetrators that exploit its speed to deliver devastating impact even without explosives. And in electronic warfare scenarios, the Alpha can deploy specialized payloads to disrupt communications, radar, and other battlefield electronics. From a technological standpoint, the Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile program has pushed advancements in materials science, propulsion engineering, and AI-guided navigation. The Scramjet engine's fuelathon, a specialized hydrocarbon blend, must be stable at high temperatures, yet capable of igniting under extreme compression. Engineers have also developed adaptive control surfaces that adjust in milliseconds to maintain stability during rapid maneuvers. This level of engineering precision ensures that the missile can maintain both speed and accuracy across varied atmospheric conditions. However, the rise of hypersonic weapons like the Alpha has sparked significant debates in the international defense community. Critics warn of an arms race where speed and maneuverability outpace diplomacy and strategic stability. Unlike nuclear weapons, hypersonic missiles can blur the line between conventional and strategic strikes, increasing the risk of misinterpretation during crises. The Alpha's ability to carry different warhead types means adversaries may not know whether they are facing a conventional or nuclear threat until impact, by which time it's too late to respond proportionally. In response, some nations are accelerating their own hypersonic programs or developing next-generation interception methods, such as directed energy weapons and space-based tracking systems. Others advocate for new arms control agreements, specifically targeting hypersonic technology, but with the pace of innovation and the allure of a decisive first strike capability, achieving consensus on restrictions will be difficult. The Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile is more than just a weapon. It's a symbol of technological ambition and strategic dominance. It represents decades of research distilled into a system that redefines the limits of speed, agility, and accuracy. For military planners, it opens doors to rapid response strategies and precision warfare. For policymakers, it introduces both opportunities for deterrence and challenges for stability. And for the rest of the world, it serves as a reminder that the future of warfare will be fought not only on the ground, in the sea, or in the air, but at the edge of physics itself, where heat, speed, and intelligence converge in a flash of unimaginable power. The coming years will determine whether weapons like the Alpha Defense Hypersonic Missile remain rare strategic assets or become standard tools in the arsenals of major powers. Its existence has already changed how militaries think about offense and defense, how nations calculate risk, and how alliances prepare for conflict. In this new age of hypersonic warfare, the speed of action is matched only by the speed of change. Those who can master both will hold the true advantage.